नमस्कार साथियों, उम्मीद है आप सब सकुशल होंगे। माय नेम इज़ विनय एंड वी आर ऑन स्टेप अहेड। सो टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट ग्लोबल चेंज मेकर फेलोशिप। ये फेलोशिप थोड़ी सी अलग है एंड थोड़ी सी यूनिक है। दिस फेलोशिप इज ऑल अबाउट योर ओन प्रोजेक्ट, यू एज अ लीडर, राइट? सो वेलकम टू द स्टेप अहेड. We are now 5,000 plus subscribers family, thanks to you. And you can join our telegram channel, WhatsApp groups through this QR code. As you know that we don't not only provide the information, but we support you to for the application for any fellowship, or we support to just reach out and get any opportunity in the social sector. So this fellowship, how this fellowship is unique actually. This fellowship is not just like other fellowships where you work and you will be paid, and you work for some organization, or you work for some other organization's goal. But this fellowship is all about you. This fellowship is all about your goals. This fellowship is all about your development. तो अगर आप ऐसे व्यक्तित्व हैं, ऐसा पर्सनालिटी है जो अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करते हैं, अलग अलग इनिशिएटिव्स पे काम करते हैं, चाहे वो छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, एंड यू वुड लाइक टू ग्रो एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, यू वुड लाइक टू ग्रो एज अ लीडर, आप अपना कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन शुरू करना चाहते हैं, कोई भी सोशल प्रोजेक्ट चलाते हैं, तो कनेक्टिंग ड्रीम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल सपोर्ट यू, विल मेंटर यू, राइट? सो यू विल नॉट बी वर्किंग फॉर एनीवन एल्स, बट यू विल बी वर्किंग फॉर योरसेल्फ. एंड दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आपके उस प्रोजेक्ट और आपके उस इनिशिएटिव को और आगे बढ़ाने में. कनेक्टिंग ड्रीम आपका हेल्प करेगा. तो व्हाट इज दिस फेलोशिप? ग्लोबल चेंज मेकर फेलोशिप इज अ 10-month प्रोग्राम. 10 month आपके प्रोजेक्ट पे, आपके इनिशिएटिव को और बेहतर बनाने के लिए, आपको और अच्छे से ट्रेन करने के लिए देयर विल बी सम वर्कशॉप्स, ट्रेनिंग एंड मेंटरशिप, right? So you will be solving a problem through your initiative or your project. उस problem solving में there will be some mentors and there will be a guide to train you. So the fellowship here will be like there will be a 30 individual working on solving the challenge in their communities that are selected. 30 people will be selected. The fellows continue to stay in their college jobs during the fellowship. मतलब आप जहाँ पे भी रह रहे हैं, आइदर आप जॉब कर रहे हैं, आइदर आप कॉलेज में पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, या फिर आप कम्युनिटी में रह रहे हैं, यू नो नीड टू गो एनीवेयर. एंड दे अटेंड 3 fully funded training camps. There will be 3 camps in a year, fully funded, like you are not going to pay for it, organization will pay for it, right? And between the training they complete weekly assignments, 3 to 4 hours per assignment. So weekly भी आपका daily engagement नहीं होने वाला है. There will be I think 4 to 8 hours per week आपको देना है, working on your project again. So the fellows will be supported in their initiative by global experts and mentors. And at the end of the 10 months, they become a part of the lifelong global community that's called Global Change Makers. So what is the fellowship focus area? So there will be adaptive collaborative leadership, right? System thinking, thought leadership, sustainable development goals, and polarities management. ठीक है? So there will be leadership trainings. आपको वो लीड करना सिखाएंगे कि आप अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, आप अपने इनिशिएटिव या प्रोजेक्ट को कैसे बेहतर लीड कर सकते हैं, उससे इम्पैक्ट कैसे डाल सकते हैं, हाउ यू कैन कनेक्ट दैट टू द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स. What will the fellowship timeline? Simply, so like up to the 15th February, the last date of the application is 15 February. February to March, there will be applications. Selection of the change makers will be April 2022. This is for 2021, so don't consider it. 2022 boot camp training, that will be first training, that will be in May, and the second training will be in September. Mentorship Connect will be in like July, like after May, and there will be third workshop, that will be third camp in the January 2023, right? And the final showcase will be the March 2023. ठीक है, onwards. So like there is little bit mistake about the years. Eligibility क्या है आपकी? So there will be age criteria 13 years to 30 years, मतलब 13 साल से लेके 30 साल तक के लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. एंटरप्रेन्योरल माइंडसेट, राइट? एक ही क्राइटेरिया है, you should have a project that is solving one problem, right? That solving community centric challenges, right? Demonstrate a commitment to community development and social entrepreneurship और leadership. आपने पहले से कुछ काम किया होना चाहिए. Leading or an integral part of building an initiative that is along the line of 17 sustainable development goals, and willing to undergo an intensive 10-month long personal and professional leadership development. That like they should have a vision for transforming एंड स्केलिंग देयर इनिशिएटिव. सिंपली आपके पास इनिशिएटिव एक प्रोजेक्ट होना चाहिए, कोई एजुकेशन क्राइटेरिया नहीं है, आपको बेसिक इंग्लिश आना चाहिए, आपका प्रोजेक्ट कम्युनिटी में चेंज लाने वाला हो, 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल से कनेक्ट होना चाहिए, 10 महीने की लंबी जर्नी के लिए आप ट्रेनिंग के लिए तैयार होना चाहिए. ठीक है. बेनिफिट्स क्या है? सिंपली लार्जर स्केल सोसाइटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड इम्पैक्ट ऑफ योर इनिशिएटिव. आपके इनिशिएटिव को और बढ़ाया जाएगा. पर्सनल लीडरशिप ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, आपको एज अ लीडर वो ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे. वर्कशॉप्स एंड ट्रेनिंग्स बाय ग्लोबल ट्रेनर. एक्सीलरेशन अपॉर्चुनिटीज, ये क्या होता है? जहां पे आप अपने इनिशिएटिव के पिच कर सकते हो, अपने इनिशिएटिव को एक्सीलरेट करने के लिए. एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग, ऑन ग्राउंड एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग का आपको मौका दिया जाएगा. पर्सनलाइज्ड मेंटरिंग बाय नेटवर्क ऑफ ग्लोबल एक्सपर्ट्स. डेवलप 21st century entrepreneurial skills and opportunity to showcase your initiative. Right? You can just pitch to the different programs. What is the application stages? First, you have to fill the form, right? To understand, the application will be scrutinized. The shortlisted candidate will be interviewed by the team, and the shortlisted candidate will be present their change-making journey and initiative to an online jury, and the final selected fellows will be different region globally. So try to understand, this is the global. Alright, so the criteria is for all the countries, from different countries. I think like 10 to 15 plus countries से अलग-अलग fellows होंगे. You can just register, nominate here. We will also go to the application part as well. But before application, let's understand about, like, this is the cohort. This is a website connecting teams. You can just find the link in the description of this video. So this is the cohort. You can just check it. These are the alumni. And these are the mentors. They are from different academics. They are different organizations. They are working there. So like in the different countries. This is a steering committee, the committee that had the organization. These are the partners. And finally, these are the FAQs. So simply like they are again explaining what is the purpose of this fellowship, what is the program duration, 10 months as I said earlier, how is the program executed, how much time do you need, 8 to 10 hours, right? And then specific requirement, basically you should have one program, and you should be available for the weekly mentorship meetings and programs, assignments. Do we have to pay for the fellowship? The fellowship is a free of cost. You are not getting anything, you are not giving anything, right? So this is all about the fellowship. Let's come to the application part. So it's a very simple application process. There are two options. Are you nominating yourself or are you nominating other? ठीक है, तो you can just simply say, are you nominating yourself? Yes. When you will go, first name, last name, email, phone number, country, name of your initiative, whatever it is, domain, what is the domain? Here will be the link, right? Either your profile, news, any information, right? Do you work with a team? Yes or no? Where did you hear about this opportunity? Basically, the basic form is there. If you choose other, specify the source below. Like it's about the above question. And finally, they are like talking about like you would like to hear about such opportunities. Very simple and basic form. They would like to just understand about your program, like what is your initiative initially, and they will like call you for the I think the explained version, like the larger presentation, the longer duration presentation in the third phase. Like they will be shortlisting you for the second phase. So this is all about the Connecting Dream Global Changemaker Fellowship. The link of the website is in the description, and the link for the application also is in the description. You can just apply from there. Thank you so much, guys. You can just join our Telegram group, WhatsApp group through this QR code. We will be happy to support you in the different fellowships. Thanks a lot.